Good day, I am Loris Isabel C. Domingo from BSDC 3-2 and I'm going to discuss the principle of aquaculture number 18. It is in an environment where growth is limited by waste from feed and or biota, the greatest biomass of fish that can be maintained in a pond is the monoculture of a fish that will contain to grow in water of poor quality. There are two culture na nabanggit sa principle na ito. Una rito ay ang intensive culture, pangalawa ay ang monoculture. So bago ang lahat, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng intensive culture? Intensive culture involves intervention in the growing process, such as with supplemental feeding and water aeration. It has decreased dependence on the availability of natural food and the greater dependency on the use of commercial feeds. It is also has nutrition for the farm stock comes from introduced feeds. It is also the well-managed form of fish farming in which all attempts are made to achieve maximum production of fish from a minimum quantity of water. There is also densities of fish kept within such holding areas are limited by species tolerance, ability to grow at raise stocking densities and maintain of environmental parameters rather than the production of a natural food supply. Ang intensive culture ay pwedeng mai-apply sa ponds. Example given nito ay for shrimp in tropical or subtropical regions. Sa cages, example given for marine fish farming and raceways for trout species in the temperate regions and for tanks specifically for eel. Intensive culture is characterized by number 1, very simple food chains. Low energy losses from feed input with high food conversion ratios from specialized artificial feeds. No recycling of energy and totally non-self-supporting. The requirement for high inputs of energy and high yields per unit or unit volume.
Good day everyone. My name is Isaiah Bernardo. To be discussing you today is a monoculture. In fish farming, there are two different farming methods. Ito ay ang monoculture and polyculture fish farming. Only one fish gets farmed in a single pond or tank. Ito ay tumutukoy sa monoculture method. Many farmers prefer to focus on single fish species. They are concentrating on the high demand fish in the market to maximize their profit by focusing on only specific fish. Mas maganda kasing mag-focus sila sa iisang fish species para mas maobserbahan at ma-maximize ang breeding performance ng isang species. Ang monoculture ay merong system of fish farming. Ito ay ang freshwater, marine water, brackish water, or salty water fish. Ang pinaka-common types of fish na ginagamit sa monoculture fish farming ay ang tilapia, catfish, at carps. Many farmers still prefer to use monoculture since nagge-generate ito ng mataas na profit and it is also easier to provide optimal condition para sa paglaki ng isda.
I hope you learned from our discussion. That would be all. Thank you.